So I thought this might be helpful for someone who's maybe new to Visual Studio Code, VS Code, or maybe they're having this issue and they can't figure it out. I had to go through many different steps, try different things until I figured it out. And if you run into this problem where, as you can see, everything looks very blurry, so you really can't work with this. And maybe it's not even VS Code, maybe it's another program that's giving you this similar, really blurry. I see everything once you go over it, once you get out of it, it gets blurry. Sometimes, as you can see right here. So obviously, if you're trying to work with Studio Code and if everything's blurry, you can't read anything. It's just impossible to work with. It's really, see, this is a good example where not even your code you can read. So what you want to do is open NVIDIA control panel, and it might really just be one option, which is this anti ally anti aliasing, well, however you say it. You just want to turn this off. This might be on. You could turn this off, this off. Oops, you might want to turn these three off. So let's apply this. Okay. You want to close VS Code and reopen. So as you could see, nothing goes blurry. You could move it around, test it out. And this is what you want. Clear, visual wording, everything is readable, nothing blurry. So that's really much it. I just wanted to share this in case someone runs into the same issue one day. Just look it up and hopefully my video pops up for you and helps somebody out there.